Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili relleno. First, gather your fresh poblano peppers, a good quality cheese for filling, and ingredients for a light, fluffy batter. We'll start by preparing the peppers, which involves roasting them to perfection. Then, we'll move on to creating a delicious, savory filling. Finally, we'll coat and fry them for a truly authentic taste. To begin, roast your poblano peppers until their skins are charred and blistered. You can do this over an open flame, under a broiler, or on a hot griddle. Once roasted, immediately place the hot peppers into a plastic bag or covered bowl to steam for about 10 minutes. This step makes peeling much easier. Then, gently peel away the skin and make a small slit to carefully remove the seeds. Now carefully stuff each prepared poblano pepper with your chosen cheese, ensuring it's well sealed. For the batter, separate egg whites and whisk them until they form stiff peaks. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg yolks, then gently fold them into the egg whites along with a small amount of flour. This creates a light, airy batter. Carefully dip each cheese-filled pepper into this fluffy mixture, ensuring it's fully coated. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep skillet to a medium-high temperature. Carefully place the battered peppers into the hot oil, frying them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, remove them and drain any excess oil on paper towels. Serve your delicious chili rellenos immediately, perhaps with a warm tomato sauce, and garnish with fresh cilantro or a dollop of crema.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.